Start assembling the vulcanizer. Align the frame according to the angle of the heating plate. Then place the hydraulic pressure plate rubber side facing up and heat insulation plate in sequence. Place the lower heating plate and arrange the peeled conveyor belt on the lower heating plate. Cut several strips of 6 cm wide core rubber. Connect the core rubber strips end to end with a length slightly wider than the belt width. Cut several cover rubber strips of the same size and lay them on top of the core rubber. Place one end of the belt in the center of the lower heating plate. Bond the pre-cut rubber strips to the bottom of the belt end. The upper 3 cm of the rubber strip is covered by the 3 cm lower edge of the belt. Apply rubber cement evenly on the surface of the rubber strips and the belt. Trim the excess length of the rubber strips. Cut several core rubber strips of about 66 cm and apply cement on their surfaces. Trim the excess length of the rubber strips. Pad newspaper under the belt and rubber strips to prevent rubber adhesion on the heating plate during vulcanization. Apply rubber compound evenly at the belt bonding joint. Cover with the other belt piece to ensure the peeled parts of the two belts fit completely. Bond core rubber and cover rubber into strips to cover the 6 cm gap on the top. Pad newspaper on top of the belt and rubber strips to prevent rubber adhesion on the heating plate during vulcanization. Place the upper heating plate and ensure accurate angle alignment. Place the heat insulation plate. Install the frame. Assemble the bolts. After assembly, tighten all bolts with a ratchet wrench. Connect the high-pressure hose to the water nozzle of the hydraulic pressure plate. Power on the electric pump and place the filter element into the water bucket. Connect the other end of the high-pressure hose to the water nozzle of the electric pump.